Rob is on drop zone. We see a little bit of speckle of video as he's filming. Oh, he's out of the plane. He's out of the plane. And I switched that over to the streaming channel. Got you on video. Okay, it looks like Rob is working the radio, I guess setting the tuning of it, and he's unpacking the antenna. Got this on video.
Byron, traffic elevator 1.
Okay, you see Rob deploy and performing safety checks.
Are we streaming this? I don't know if we're not doing that or not. Okay.
Oh, he's not in control of it. That's 14.289, guys.
Byron, traffic elevator 1 over Discovery Bay, remembering rec 4530, Byron. Byron, traffic elevator 1 on a right 45 for 30, got the crosswind traffic in sight, will be in front of you, Byron.
Are you coming in?
10,000 feet.
How many?
Yeah, 10,000 feet.
There he is.
Byron, traffic elevator 1's going to be turning right base here, and I've got the downwind traffic in sight, Byron.
Oh, crap. I forgot to mark down what time he exited.
13:16.
Okay, I'll go with that. I'm trusting you to keep me on track with this stuff.
I can't even keep myself on track.
You guys have video. Is it a PATC site with W6CX8TV, or is it something else?
This is a 5.8 gigahertz air-to-ground transmission.
Can we see it streamed?
Affirmative. The link is on parachutemobile.org, a Zoom.
Thanks, N6SPP out.
What was that guy's name?
Rob at 8,700 feet. Winds southwest at 10.
I don't need to call in.
He won't hear you.
You won't hear me.
But he heard you on those other ones, so you always get a chord.
I gotta get my phone, right?
Oh, looks like he's
Drop zone, we got HF contact, the tenant reeled in, contact suite, mobile ground control.
okay. It looks like Rob is spooling in his antenna. I have an APRS at 8,000 feet, but I think that's about 3,000 feet out of air or something. Pacificon up there. We observe you're taking in the antenna.
Parachute control, I've got a number of contact logs here. I can relay on simplex after the jump or follow up after. Parachute mobile ground control.
Copy that, thank you, coming in.
You don't sound very confident.
Oh, man.
The time is 1:30 p.m. W6.
Repeater.
Right base, 30, Byron. Byron, traffic elevator 1's turning left, crosswind 12, Byron.
How's it going here, guys? Good. I got a recording here. Okay, Rob has safely landed on the ground. Stand up landing in case it's out there.
Mark's out there.
Okay, once you zoom in, you're now live with this.
Byron traffic, 54102, final 30, Byron.
Ground control from N4CLA mobile.
Again for ground control.
We got you on video.
Delta Lima Alpha.
QSL November 4th, Delta Lima Alpha. Rob
You're on the CCTV camera, so you can
KC6TYD was
wave
jumping
to it whenever
with
you want.
the Elecraft KX2. Elecraft Kilo X-Ray 2 was the parachute, mobile HF rig.